Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to create bootable USB drive with Windows 11 without any TPM or secure boot checks. And before doing anything further, let's give a quick shout out to today's sponsor, VIPKeysale.com. From VIP Keysale, you can purchase original Microsoft Windows and Office keys, and also Steam, Origin, Uplay game keys, and many more in a very discounted price. Not only this, but you can use my special promo code TE20 to get extra 20% discount. As you can see, you can get yourself a Windows 10 Pro OEM global key for $14.35, which is insanely cheap. And with all that being said, check the links in the description down below. First of all, you will go to the Rufus webpage, and here you will scroll down to the download section and you will download version 3.16 or even latest version of this program. So simply click on this Rufus 3.16. Then to create actually Windows 11 installation ISO or USB drive, go to download Windows 11, scroll down a bit, and here we will download Windows 11 disk image ISO. Here select your download. Simply select Windows 11, go to the download section, here pick your preferred language, I will just pick English and click confirm, and then click 64-bit download to download Windows 11 ISO. Then go to the downloads folder, click on the Rufus, click yes, and here under device tab select your USB pen drive. Under boot section on the right, click select and pick your Windows installation ISO, click open. And here under image option you will click extended Windows 11 installation, which doesn't have TPM and secure boot check. Simply click this file or this option, and under partition scheme make sure it says GPT, and under target system UEFI or non-CSM. Under volume label, here just pick your preferred option. I will just set, let's say, Windows 11 ISO, and under file system NTFS and cluster size, I will just set it to default, and then click start. And when that is done, you will simply be able to install your Windows 11 installation ISO file without any TPM or secure boot checks. And with that being said, I hope I helped you to install Windows 11 on your unsupported hardware, and if I did, subscribe to the channel would be much appreciated. And with that being said, have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.